Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Varsha. In the previous session, we have discussed about few of the string handling functions. So in this video, I'm going to give you some of the examples where we can use string handling functions in a good manner. So without wasting time, let's get into this. So first, I'm going to start with string length function. The syntax of using the string length function is string length of array name. So this is a comment clients where I have used two slashes. It is nothing but comments. Hash include. Then main method. Then I'm declaring a character. Let's say S of size 50. You can declare any of the size that is of your wish. So I'm declaring the data type as a character, which I'm providing a name called S with the size of 50. Then comes I'm declaring an integer called length where I used to store the number of characters in a given length. So length is nothing but len. Now I use puts function where I enter a string. Then I use gets function where I give the address of s. S is nothing but a character. Then I'm going to give the syntax of using the actual string length function. So length equals to str length of s. Then I'll print the program. I'll print say %d and length of a string. Then I'll return the value. So let's see the output. So here I used to, by using the string functions, we're gonna declare the string .h as a header file. So string length is nothing but by using this function, we can find the number of characters in a given string. For suppose enter a string, when I give Varsha as a name, it gives me output as 6. So in this, puts and gets are used instead of using printf and scanf statements. So this is all about the string length. So next one is string copy. So here the syntax will be changing as strcpy. This is not array name. This is actually a destination source. So I'm going to change few of the code lines where you can find the copy function. So here, let's say S1 of 50 size. I'll give a name as Varsha. And then instead of this, I'll give another character S2 where I used to give the empty string so that I can copy the contents of one string into another string. I'll take this size as 20. Then I'll copy the statement as strcpy of destination source from S2 to S1, S2 comma S1. So what does it mean? Actually, strcpy is a function where the contents of one string gets copied into another string. So S2 is empty whereas S1 is Varsha. So this is a copy function where I have copied the contents of S1 into S2. So I'll put this statement as puts. I'll print the statement of S2. So in the output, I used to get the result only for S2 statement. So let's see this. Semicolon. So by using this statement, we can copy the contents of one string into the another string. So you can see the output as Varsha. I have only printed the output for S2, not for S1. So S1 Varsha is copied into S2. So this is all about the copy function. So next comes the concatenation and reverse function. So in this one program, in the previous past two programs, you have saw that only one type of program is being done by it. Whereas in this, in now what I'm going to tell about is the concatenation and reverse strings, both the concepts will be coming in the one program. So this is all about concatenation. strcat is a function, and then for reverse is strrev. So the destination source is same as a syntax strcat. For reverse also it is same. So now I'm going to type a code like say character S1 of 50, and I'll remove this, also this, S2 of 20. Let's give 50, no worries. Then I'll put the statement. I'll print the statement as inputs. Uh, let's say enter string 1. Then I'll give the get statement of S1. Again, I'll give the puts of string 2, enter string 2. Gets of S2. Now, by using the reverse under concatenation function, I used to give the string reverse function for S1. Let's say strrev of destination source S1, and then strrev of S2, destination source 2. Then I'll concatenate as strcat of S1 comma S2. You might get so much of confusion where I'm coding is what she's doing and all. So I'm going to give you the reason for this. Yes. So basically in this concatenation is nothing but adding of two strings into a one string. So enter string 1. I'll give my name as Jaya. Enter string 2. I'll give the name as Varshita. So you can see the output as reverse of Jaya Varshita. So what I've given here, have I mean in the put function I have give S1. S1 is nothing but enter the string 1 is Jaya. So here I've got Jaya as in a reverse manner, and then I have concatenated S1 and S2. So the both Jaya and Varshita has been combined into a one string which is reversed. So in this example you can see the reverse function at the same time concatenation function. So few of you guys may get confused by this program. I'll give another program in order to understand in a more frequent manner. So I'll put minor changes here. In this program, I'm going to declare three variables. Let's say S1, S2, and S3 of size 50 each. S2, S2 of 50, and S3 of 50. Now, I'll give puts function for S1. And then I'll give gets function for S1. Same, I'm going to give her three strings. This is for S2. Now, I'm going to give the string function, reverse function for S1, strrev of S1. Let's say this. And then I'm going to give concatenation for S2 and S3. Now I'm going to provide puts function for S1 and puts function for S2. So the display will be given for only S1 and S2. Output will be printing by using these two strings. So let's run this program. So basically, the reverse function is used to reverse the given order of a string. For suppose enter the string 1, I am going to give you as again my name Jaya, and then I'll give string 2 as Varsha. Let's see, string 3 I'll give as CSC. Now you can see, yeah, in the first put function I have provided S1. So S1 will be reversed in the order of A, Y, A, J. And then I'm putting S2 and S3 by using concatenation function. So this concatenation function is used to combine the two strings. For in the S2 I have provided Varsha, and in S3 I have given CSC. So Varsha and CSC both are combined in one string, and Jaya is been reversed into another string, and which is of separate from these two strings. So puts function for S1 is in a reverse order, and then puts of S2 string is been concatenated into S2 and S3. So this is our basic examples of using a string function where we can use different type of applications in the real life problems. So with this I remain. Thank you all.